What if you could get paid up to $66 for signing up for some completely free websites and apps? Sounds too good to be true, right? That's exactly what I thought until I tested them myself. In this video, I'll show you 11 legit platforms that actually pay you a bonus just for joining. And there's no paid upgrade needed. And make sure to stick around to the end because I'll also share one mistake a lot of people make that can cost them these bonuses without even realizing it. My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of ways to make money online. Some work and most honestly just don't. But in this video I put together a list of 11 completely free apps and websites that give you sign-up bonuses, which can add up to $66 in total for getting started. Whether you are brand new to side hustles or just looking to grab some extra easy earnings, then these can be worth checking out. Just remember, there's always fine print involved and it's important to know exactly what to expect. So I will be pointing that out along the way and giving you some realistic advice on how to actually get your money. So let's just jump to the first free app that offers a joining bonus when you sign up, and that is Pawns, which is an app and website where you can earn by taking paid service, you can earn passively by sharing your unused internet bandwidth, and it also has some different games you can earn by playing. And just by signing up, you can actually get a $3 joining bonus if you join through an invitation link. I will leave a link below to information about all these options here, where you can then also find these joining links, and you can see you will get $3. But be aware here that when you register, you will get $1 immediately, and then the first time you cash out, you will get another, and the second time you will cash out, you will get the third dollar. So that will add a total of $3 bonus. And then you can get paid via PayPal, Bitcoin, or choose between many different gift cards, and you can join it from basically all countries. The next platform that offers a free joining bonus is FreeCAS, and it's a get paid to site you can join from more or less all countries, but it has the most opportunities in the so-called tier 1 countries. And in these countries, you also will get a $5 joining bonus just for signing up. There are some countries where you will not get that, but then sometimes you will get a chance to win a joining bonus that might be lower, might be higher. In most cases, of course, it will be lower. So that's just something to keep in mind. But in many countries, you will get $5 just for signing up. You can see that on the website when you come there and click to sign up. Because if you live in a country where it is the $5 joining bonus, you can see here it pops up when you just hover over here, and then you know that you will get that. But be aware that usually FreeCAS has a very low payout threshold where you only need to earn around 50 cents to be able to cash out. If you live in a country where you get the $5 joining bonus, you will need to earn $20 the first time you cash out to be able to actually take out your earnings and the joining bonus. Then after that, the payout threshold will be lower again. So that's just something to keep in mind. FreeCAS offers to pay both via PayPal and gift cards and cryptocurrencies. The next option I want to show you is called Honeygain. This is a way to earn passively just by installing it and then sharing your unused internet bandwidth. The joining bonus here has gone up and down a little bit over the years since I first started talking about it. Right now you can see on the website that it offers $2, but actually if you join through an invitation link, and again I will leave below here more information so you can go and find all those invitation links and easily get started and get the best joining bonuses also. But then you can see you would actually get $3 joining bonus. You can join Honeygain from all countries. Just be aware that it does take patience to earn from it. You can get paid via the crypto JMPT or via PayPal. And also be aware, as mentioned, I've seen the joining bonus go up and down, so it can change. This is what it currently offers at the time of recording this video. And that goes for all of these platforms, that sometimes it does change. So I'm just sharing what it offers right now. There might be some slight changes, so just keep that in mind also. But you will always be able to see the current exact bonus on the platforms when you actually go there and try to sign up. The next option is Prime Opinion. It's a survey website and also an app, so you can earn from your phone if you want to, and you can see it's available in quite a lot of different countries. And the exact joining bonus can of course also vary depending on the country, but you can see here on the sign up page it says very clearly which bonus you will get. In many countries it will be a $1, so it's not huge, but still it's quite good for a survey panel. And you also only need to earn $5 to actually cash out. Again, this can vary a bit depending on the country you live in. You can always see the exact threshold for your specific country when you go to the platform. You can get paid via PayPal, in some countries even also Venmo and bank transfer, and it also has a lot of different gift cards to choose from. iButter is the next platform that offers a joining bonus, and it is a cashback app, so you can download both for Android and iOS devices. It is only for the US, so to keep that in mind. But if you ever shop, and even some physical shops, it actually also has some cashback offers. It can be one worth checking out. It does have a joining bonus, and you can see they describe more about a welcome bonus in the FAQ section, but be aware that this joining bonus, it varies. What I have seen is anywhere from $3 to $10, so that's just something to keep in mind. That depends on the current campaigns they are running, but the maximum I've seen they ever offer is up to $10 joining bonus. But sometimes, then usually if you get a higher one, there is some extra requirements. For example, that you need to have taken a certain number of cashback offers within the first month or something like that. But you will always be able to see the exact conditions when you go to sign up. The next option is Fetch, which is also mainly a cashback app, also available for both Android and iOS devices, only available in the US, but it does offer, as you can see, you to earn both when you shop online and in store. It also has some different games you can earn by playing. And currently, as of recording this video, you can see you can claim a free $3 gift card by starting and signing up. Swagbucks also offers a joining bonus, and it is a get paid to site you can join from all countries, and it offers many ways to earn, for example, paid surveys, playing games, searching online, and different other methods you can use to earn a bit of extra money. The exact joining bonus can vary depending on the country you live in, but usually it is $5 you get to sign up, but there are some countries where it will only be $3, but it's still quite good then. But the requirements are usually also that you will not get the bonus until you have actually reached the payout threshold and withdraw the first time. Exactly how much you need to earn to release this joining bonus, that does depend again on your country, but usually you can get paid on Swagbucks when you've earned around $5, but some rewards requires you to earn a bit more. It does pay in many different ways, for example gift cards, PayPal and Payoneer. Acons is next on the list, and as you can see, you can get a $20 bonus when you start saving and investing with it. It is an app where you can see that you can invest spare change, and then you can earn bonuses, and then you can grow your knowledge and earn more this way. This one is only available for the US, but if you do live in the US, it can be worth checking it out. Of course, again, make sure you read the exact conditions. It says here what you would need to do to get the bonus. It says it, for example, here it's typically paid within 10 days of the following month after you're making your first successful recurring investment. So this is where you need to invest these spare change basically, and you can see it would need to be this successful recurring investment of minimum $5 to release the joining bonus. So it's not where you have to pay for something, it's where you actually invested, and then you would get this great joining bonus. So that's something to keep in mind, that you would need to put something in as investment, not where you pay for something. But if that's something you're interested in, then it can be worth checking it out and doing some more research about exactly what you would need to do so you can find out if it's the right option for you or not. Branded Surveys has a 100 points welcome bonus. This is the equivalent of $1. It is only available in the US, UK and Canada, but if you live here, it is a great survey website and app. You can both take surveys on the website and through the Android and iOS app. It has some quite high paying surveys, especially if you keep being active, then it gives some great bonuses which can really add up, so you get some really high paying surveys if you just keep being active. You only need $5 to redeem, and you can choose to get paid via bank transfer in some countries and also PayPal and many different gift cards. Inbox Dollars gives a $5 joining bonus, but you just need to be aware it's only available in the US. But if you live in the US, it is one of the more popular get paid to site where you can earn by taking surveys, playing games and participating in other small micro tasks. You can just see some of the examples it offers here. Cashback also, grocery cash, rewards, get paid to read emails, playing games, taking paid online surveys. So it has quite a lot of different ways to earn some extra money. In my opinion, it is quite good get paid to site, but you just need to be aware that some of the earning methods do take a little bit of patience, and also to reach the payout threshold the first time can take a bit of patience, but the $5 joining bonus definitely helps with that. You can then get paid via PayPal or gift cards. The last option I wanted to show you is called Be Frugal. This is a cashback website. So if you ever shop online, you can come here and you can see you can get up to 40% cashback when you shop at over 5,000 plus top online stores. You can see some of the examples of just a few of the partners they have. So there's definitely a good chance that you sometimes shop in any of these stores if you ever shop online. You can see at the very top of the website that it says that you can join and then get $10 for free. Usually it also will require you, of course, to have a certain activity before you will actually be able to take out the earnings there. But this is the current deal as of recording this video. So also a quite good joining bonus and opportunity if you ever shop online. And these were the 11 free apps that actually pay you when you are signing up. And if you use all of them, that's up to $66 in bonuses in total. But before you go and start creating accounts, there's a few things I really recommend you do, because while these apps are free and legit, a lot of people miss out on the bonuses simply because they don't pay attention to a few important details. So let me just quickly share a few tips that can save you time and make sure you actually get the money promised. So a few tips to help you make sure you can actually withdraw these joining bonuses, because as I mentioned in the beginning, there are of course a few conditions usually, because these platforms offer the joining bonus hoping that you will become an active member. If not, they would just lose money. So the first thing is that sometimes the bonuses change and sometimes they have different campaigns. So make sure to check on the website itself before joining, because then you know exactly what they offer at the moment you are watching this video here. Some of them also require you to use an invitation link, as I mentioned earlier there, and I will leave links below there so you can easily find those invitation links and get the best possible joining bonuses. The second tip is to make sure to always check the fine print, because some of these bonuses might sound instant, but they often require a small task first, as I just explained. It could, for example, sometimes be to just confirm your email, or downloading a specific app, or even completing a simple offer like answering your first survey or reaching your first cash out. So usually they do have conditions, so be aware of this. And also watch out for the expiration deadlines, which are usually a part of the fine print, because some bonuses expire if you don't complete the required step within a certain number of days after signing up. This is something I find to be especially true for cashback sites. If you, for example, get a $10 joining bonus, then it's usually only if you complete a cashback offer, a certain amount of cashback offers within the first month or something like that. But this can vary depending on the exact platform. Lastly, I just want to make you aware that you should not expect to cash out the bonus immediately. Even if the bonus appears in your account, many platforms have a minimum payout threshold, and I have also mentioned them when I went over these different platforms, and they only pay out via certain methods, some of them gift cards, some of them crypto, some of them bank transfer or PayPal. But always read the terms to make sure it's actually worth your time and that it offers a payout option you are interested in. What I usually do is to keep a simple checklist. It can, for example, be an Excel sheet or Google Sheet when I join any new app or website. And then I check what the requirements are, and then I make a short list. For example, have I confirmed my email and phone number? Do I need to complete a task to unlock the bonus? What's the payout threshold and method? And is there a deadline I need to meet? So I just have a full overview. It sounds basic, but skipping these steps can easily make you miss out, because maybe you then don't end up fulfilling the requirement and will actually not get the joining bonus. So keep this in mind if you want to use these options and get these bonuses. And I have full tutorials both in writing and video on my website. I will leave a link to that below so you can go and find that for the platforms that I have that off there at the top of each of these. You can also find link so you can go and join and get the best possible joining bonus for the ones that require you to join through a specific link to actually get the bonus. So make sure to check that out, and I would also love to hear from you. Have you gotten any of these joining bonuses, or do you know of any other great platform that you like and that gives a great joining bonus? Please share that in the comments below. And finally, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.